Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to go over just a quick demonstration of how to use projects inside of Notion. And it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, I'm going to be showing y'all how you can utilize Notion for your projects. Now, this is just going to be a quick video. I just kind of want to go over a brief overview of projects inside of Notion. And then probably in some later episodes that I'll go over projects in more detail. But I just kind of want to get you all accustomed to that, projects can really be quite useful or helpful to you utilizing Notion. Okay, so as you see here, I have opened up projects, and it's a page that I created inside of Notion. And you see here I have three things here that I'm working on. Currently I'm reorganizing my Dropbox to be in line with a PPP system of Notion that I'm utilizing. Then I also have fixed issues with house. Now this is an ongoing project, so this project will probably never end unless I sell the house. And then I also have fixed issues with a car that I have coming up as well. Okay. So as you see here, I have it pretty much laid out where I have reorganized Dropbox as my first priority, and I plan on tackling that in the first quarter of 23, which I'm doing currently right now. If you see here in the house project that I am actually still got it labeled as first priority because they're both first priorities. Now, if I wanted to set it up for second priority, I'd work on this one here first, and then after I'm done with it, I go to here. But in actuality, because they're two different types of projects, I'm actually tackling both of them at the same time. Okay. Now, as you see here, fix issues with 2004 Honda Pilot, I have that next up. Okay. And I also have my housing project on hold, although I'm technically still doing it, but the main priority is the active one. Okay. And that's the one I'm really diving into. I am still tackling issues with the house, even though it's technically active. I got it on hold because I'm also waiting on people to come by and fix the house, but I'm also trying to find people like an electrician that I got to have to do some work on my house. So some of this is on hold, some of it's not, and then this is next up, okay? Now, of course, you can create your own little system on how you want to keep track of this, but this is how basically I'm doing it. And I have a project gallery, I have a primary view, and then I have a compact view, okay? And if you go into the actual project, it might take a second because my computer's slow, apparently. You'll come into the actual project here, reorganize Dropbox, right? And you'll see here, anything that maybe I wrote some thoughts and reminders that I want to do. Maybe I have it attached to one of my outcome goals, which I'll go over in another episode. Then I have my action items, what I'm doing to tackle this project. Then I have any notes and such that might be useful for this project, okay? And then if you look over here at another project that I have, the house one, you see I got it set for several quarters because it's ongoing, so I'm probably going to be tackling this throughout the year. Okay. Also have a review date here. Typically I set up an action item or a to-do item to review my projects, but if I wanted to set a review date here for this project, maybe outside of setting up an action item or a to-do list item, then I could enter that here. Okay, this section here is any remaining actions that I have to do in order to complete this project. Of course, this is an ongoing project, so there is no completion for this project. And as you see here, I have some issues laid out here of what I'm going to need to tackle with this. and any outcome goals, but I don't have any outcome goals associated with this project because it's really just an ongoing project. I really don't need that. So I have all my items listed out here, and right now I'm just waiting on a few contacts to get back to me. But I have nothing left in the action items. I've completed everything for right now, since it's basically on hold in a way until people get back to me. And then, of course, I have some notes and documents and other such that I could put here if I need to. Okay. And if you look over here at how I'm doing my fixing the Honda Pilot, you see here, I've crossed off some items that I'm going to be I've already taken care of, or that are no longer necessary. Okay. And then I have any action items that now I've already completed some action items, so they're not showing here because I don't really need to see them once I complete them. So once they're gone, they're out of my view, and I feel a little bit better, right? So as you see here, I don't have anything down here yet because I didn't really need to add any notes to this project. But anyways, this is just, like I say, just a short video, kind of getting you kind of accustomed to how you could utilize projects to help streamline your projects and how you get them all done. You know, and maybe you have a project that's needs to be done prior to another project that you want to do. Well, this is a way to keep it all together in one area. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this episode, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below, and if you want to see more of these videos in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.